Hello students, so today we're going to be working on doing multiplication and division with scientific notation. This is going to be a refresher back to our exponent laws. So first what we're going to do is looking at this problem, I have 1.78 times 10 to the 7th multiplied by 3.5 times 10 to the 4th. What you want to do when approaching this problem is once again start with the numbers in the front. So we have 1.78 times 3.5. So I'm just going to do that math first. So 1.78 times 3.5. When I type that in the calculator, I get 6.125. Then what you do is we're going to follow our exponent laws for the second half. We have a 10 to the 7th times a 10 to the 4th. So we have the same base, so we keep the 10. And when we multiply, remember we add our exponents. So when you take 7 plus 4, you're going to get 11. So this final answer is going to have the times 10 to the 11th power. And that's how you do multiplication with scientific notation. Let's go ahead and do a division problem. So in this problem, we have 9 times 10 to the 8th divided by 2.5 times 10 to the 3rd. So once again, we start with our numbers in the front. You take 9 and you actually divide it by 2.5. When you type that in the calculator, you're going to get 3.6. So that's going to be the first number in my problem. And then we take the second half and we see it's 10 to the 8th and 10 to the 3rd. So they have the same base of 10. And then we subtract our exponents when they're dividing. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So our final answer is 3.6 times 10 to the 5th power. And that is how you do multiplication and division with scientific notation.